Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be using the Seasonal Welcome Sign Transfer. It is a new fave, and I've grabbed two 9x9 box frames because they fit perfectly and they're double-sided, so it's going to be so cute. I placed down some washi tape around the outside just to protect it because I am a messy painter. I'm using a wet wipe, dipped it in the paste, and just painted the surface. Now I'm removing that washi tape and it is ready to go. But first, make sure to blow dry it. It needs to be nice and dry before you add your transfer on there. Now I'm fuzzing my transfer just like I do with all brand new transfers. Just it helps to take a little bit of that stickiness off. Now I'm using some white chalk paste and just applying that with a mini squeegee, making sure to cover all of the silkscreen areas. Let's peel it up and it's so cute. Let's flip it over though after I fix that little oops. Let's flip it over and we're gonna chalk the other side. I'm gonna keep this one brown, but I'm gonna sand it a little bit to give it kind of a distressed look. And I like to kind of dog ear the corner of the transfer. It makes it easier to pick it up with the, the 9x9 size fitting perfectly. Got my white paste on there. It's all covered, ready to go. And voila, oh my gosh, it is so stinking cute. Now this one on the white side, I am gonna place that washi down and I'm gonna use this papaya orange. This time, instead of the baby wipe, I'm just using a little paintbrush. I applied it without adding water and then I just take a spritzer and put the water on there and it helps to blend it all in, get all the corners. Let's remove that washi, blow dry. Of course, always fuzz and then place the transfer down. I've tucked that corner under so it's easy to grab and pull it up. Now I'm just using some white chalk paste, covering up all that silkscreen area, and let's pull this one up and see how cute it looks. It is darling. Okay, let's flip it over and do the other side. I'm gonna sand it again. I just like the look. I use the blow dryer to brush off all the stuff that I sanded. And this time I'm gonna use some black velvet chalk paste. And because this one is nice and spooky for Halloween, let's peel that one up and ta-da, aren't they so cute? Let's flip them over and see the other side. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.